Let's take a look at this quality builder. Non-compliant flashing between the junction point. Obviously, we're not even going to talk about workmanship. Actually, let's talk about workmanship. Let's have a quick look over here. Nice. Really, really nice. Let's take a quick look down here. Actually, while we're doing this, while we're walking, look at this nice gap. Look at this gutter. Look at the sheets being cut and the inconsistent cuts and distances. But let's look past that. And let's look past all the oil canning. Let's have a look at this rain head. It's not compliant. Rain heads must be discharged either onto roof cover or directly into downpipes. That cannot discharge straight onto pressure flashings. Actually, just looking at that pressure flashing, let's take a closer look, see if there's any gaps. There is gaps, and it's supposed to have an apron flashing over the top of it. So this roof is, look at the dents. Look at the dents. Wow. Wow.